Hi, we're back again to look at measuring of excess weld metal on our samples. There is some tricks with this or things which are more difficult than they used to be because of the sheer size of the sample now. It's very small. But we're going to look at excess weld metal measurement and acceptance in accordance with category A of our CSWIP examinations. You will need your weld gauge as always, and I'll show you with our ruler how you can look at what excess weld metal is, but it's not a essential requirement. So here we have our sample as normal. You get 8 of these segments, and you'll have to do this on all 8 segments. We've got our excess weld metal, and we've got our excess penetration. We'll ignore this side for the minute. So here's my excess weld. I've got my weld gauge. First thing to always do with the gauge is zero it out on a flat table. So I'm just putting mine against the table, pushing it to 0. Do I get 0? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so what I can now do is put this on my my sample. Now, if I turn it sideways, what we've got to do is make sure that this foot at the bottom here, you can see it rocking. We need to make sure that's flat. Now, when you've got welds which have quite a bit of distortion, you can see this one is, if I line this side up, we've got a lot of distortion of our plate pulling off to one side. We can't do anything with that. It's going to affect our measurement, but everybody's samples will be the same, so it should be all right. So we're going to put our sample there, and then we're going to drag the sample back and the gauge back and forward like this. And what that's going to do is push the gauge up until we hit the highest point. That feels like a high point there. Okay. So what I'm now measuring is a around 4 millimeters, just tiny bit under 4. So I'm just going to say 4 millimeters to keep it to the nearest mil. So we can then look at our acceptance criteria. So as you can see, our new acceptance criteria for CSWIP says excess weld metal is anything that's above the plate of the material. So again, if we just look at the cross section here, even though we're not inspecting this at all, if I draw my straight line, use a straight line across like that, we can see that anything above this white line here, that's our excess weld metal. That's what we're measuring. Okay, and we're saying that at group A, you're allowed 2 millimeters, but we've measured near on 4 mil, therefore we will reject.